Hey traders, let's do an update this morning. I'm looking at S&Ps and look, we're about in the let's see, this is one, two, three, four, five, six, seventh day. So being Friday, if you want to count calendar days, this is the 8.6 frequency. It's the same on the yearly level that the business cycle oscillates on. So it's everything's relative. It's if it's 8 or 9 trading days, or whether you want to look at calendar days, coming into Sunday, we're basically towards the top end of the cycle. So you can see that last time we cycled up, this was a cycle high, cycle low, we covered, and now we're short again. But what I like, if we look at the percent D here, we're getting a little bit of a cross. So we'll see. I'd like to see another leg down into next week, but we're short from 2156 or 2153, so right in here, and it's not big size, but I want to see if we can cover into this 8 that's rising into this 2130, 2120 area, and then maybe we can get some more back, down here towards 2100. So that's how I'm playing S&Ps. I'm playing the same thinking on the Russell. I'll take a look at it or not. So it sold off the hardest, and now it's bounced back the hardest. So I'm actually out of the money on this lot, and we'll see. I may add another piece up here. Pretty tight risk. Maybe you sell a little bit more, kind of stop right above these highs, and same thinking. See if we can collapse back down, and then on the Dow. I haven't been looking at the NASDAQ. Dow we bought really well. I should probably punch some of this out. This is back into the old highs. I'm going to sell this last Dow piece out and just stay, well, I don't know. I'm leaning more short the Russell and S&P, so I need something on against it. I'll probably just keep this one lot. This is a pretty strong move to new highs. I'd probably just keep it. And then I haven't been trading the NASDAQ. It doesn't trade as well as the Dow. And I've noticed that in Google and some of these other names, they just, Google's down. It doesn't trade very well. I haven't really looked at Netflix. So tech is just lagging here. Amazon back towards the 200. That was our call. If you didn't hold the bands here around 780, that I said you could get a move back towards the 200. Just not quite there. We'll see where we trade today. A couple other markets. Gold, I bought a little bit this morning. Kind of waved guys off from buying yesterday. Just said we might as well wait for like 1250. The low is down here around 1246. So it's just a small long. Gold's gotten a little bit more neutral to me, just because we broke this area 1306, 1310, sold off. You rallied, were able to trade through it on an intraday basis on the election, and then couldn't close above it. So that makes this lower high makes me think we could maybe drift back here towards pi, like 1220. So I'm being a little bit more patient. If we kind of turn back up, then I'll get more aggressive on the long side, but I'm just kind of sitting tight for the moment. And then long bonds, they broke. I don't have a position there right now, but I do want to sell the next rally, and I'm actually short 10s instead. Small short 10s. I covered a piece yesterday, and I'm long some 5s as they're oversold. So if 5s can bounce back, they're about 3 standard deviations away from the mean right now. So I'm long from 119.30. I'll come out of those 5s and get more short 10s and bonds if we pop. So that's kind of how I'm playing that. And then when we want to look at the other bond markets, high yield still trades pretty terrible. So this has been a good call, a good position for us. I think we can test a lot lower, 82 maybe. We're getting oversold though. It's probably a good spot to book some gains, maybe today. And then the euro's still pretty oversold. So we've been short there, covered. I would love a chance to reshort any bounce on the 4 hour, but we're definitely at the low end of the cycle now. And then this has just been a great call by us. We said that euro versus the pound. I said the long-term top is probably in. I want to work a core short. And sure enough, we just completely broke down this week. So congrats to those that were short with me. We covered into some of these lows today and pretty much out of 90% of my short. All right, but that was a great move. And other than that, I'll do an update again maybe here towards the end of the day. We'll see how stocks open up. All right, guys, good luck out there. See you in the room.